Video. Never mind. Okay. We're doing a video. You can open.
It's a book.
Mm.
Oh, it's 2 books. 2?
Now.
This wasn't really what I was planning, but it is.
But you like books. What's that say? Let Julia tell you what that says.
It says, Levi, go look under mom and dad's bed.
So you can do that. They stay here while you do that.
What's under mom and dad's bed?
Go to the other side. What is it?
It's a lightsaber.
Oh my goodness. What do you say to Grandma and Grandpa?
Thank you.
No, look here.
Thank you.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
All right.